In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the row formula in Google Sheets. Whether you're a spreadsheet enthusiast looking to enhance your data sorting skills, or just someone who wants to get more organized with their sheets, this tutorial will walk you through step by step how to make the row formula work for you. Let's dive right in and start with opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't yet navigated to Google Sheets, go ahead and do that now. You can start a new sheet or open an existing one, but for the purpose of this tutorial, starting fresh might be the simplest way to follow along. Once you're in your Google Sheet, you'll want to click on cell A1. The reason we start here is because A1 is often the top left corner of your data set, and it's a logical place to begin using formulas that will automate the process. Clicking on cell A1 will highlight it and set it as the current working cell. Now, you're ready to input the formula. Here's where the magic starts. In cell A1, type the following formula, equals array. Formula, open parenthesis, row, open parenthesis again, and then specify a range. For this tutorial, you can use 120, which will calculate and display the row numbers from 1 to 20. Close both sets of parentheses, and your formula should look like this. Array formula, row, 120. The purpose of this formula is to automatically generate row numbers within your specified range, saving you the need to input them manually. It's particularly useful if you're dealing with larger data sets or if you frequently modify the number of rows in your sheet, as the formula dynamically adjusts. After you've double-checked that the formula is correct, simply hit the Enter key. As soon as you do this, you'll see that the entire row range you defined is instantly filled with sequential numbers. This isn't just for show. These numbers can come in handy when you're trying to identify particular entries quickly, or if you need an easy way to reference rows in other formulas. And there you have it. By using the row formula, you can save time and enhance your efficiency when managing data in Google Sheets. The simplicity of automating row numbers means you can focus on analyzing and utilizing your data rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it adds a new layer of organization to your spreadsheets. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on Google Sheets and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.